Welcome to my husband's backyard garden where faith, fitness, and rebounding come together. Join me on the trampoline for 5 easy songs. Let's go. Optional weights. These are lace-ups. Engage that core, relax the shoulders, they're down and back. Soften the knees. Push down. Health bounce. Blue sky shining, spirit free. Rebounding with Cheryl, come bounce with me. Let's walk. Bounce in the sunshine, lift your soul. Faith and fitness make us whole. Step by step and grace by grace. Rebounding with Cheryl, let his joy fill this place. Yes, lifting our spirits today. Moving our bodies. Heel lifts. Heel lifts. Push. Left and right now. Step, touch. Moving hearts with perfect peace. Strong in body, strong in faith. Rebounding with Cheryl. Let's celebrate. Little tropical vibe. All right, next song. We're gonna go stepping up to the front and back. Ready? Up and back. Lead with the left and then with the right. Sunshine falling through the trees. Warm breeze dancing over me. And switch. Step I take feels like joy I can't contain. It's a good day. Yeah, it's a good day to have a good day. Now out and in. Out and in. And switch to the other leg. Out, out, in. And march. And heels, heels. Oh, next song, let's, ready? Heels. Push down on the mat. And let's change to bicep curls. Pull the belly button up and in. Now, do a basic bounce. Now, jump to the side, side. Swing your arms. And twist. Yes, amen. Thank God for the rain. We're going to go to jacks. If you can. Pop the legs up. Ooh, shake it out. All right. All right. Got your breath? We're going to do kickbacks. Like that. And And pull the arms back, the shoulder blades together. Yeah, I don't see very many birds today. Where are the birds today? And butterflies and the bees. Anyway, let's go to the next one. Wide, step and push. Fast and punch. Keep your chin up. Strong. Yes, go, 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 go. Good. Step it out. Finish with hopscotch. Ready? 2 and 1. Welcomes you. Yeah. All right. Last song. Cool down. I told you it was going to be quick. I'll put these down and stretch. Breathe in. Slow breeze moving through the trees. Well, not much breeze this morning. Humidity is high. I am sweating. Birds are singing soft and low. Oh, I do hear them. Soft and low. Shake side to side. And sway. And bring your arms up slowly. And slow the bounce down to about shoulder width apart. And we are going to squat. Push the hips back. We do not want to go over our knees. Push the hips back and up. Again, push. And down. Grab your trampoline. Woo. And one vertebrae at a time. Come on. Relax. And breathe. Deep breath. Blow it out. And again. And stretch the arm. And the other arm. Yeah. And I'm going to turn that off. And finish the stretch. The back of the arm. Want to touch here. Grab your elbow. Stretch and lean. Stretching the obliques in your side. You want to do that again on the other side. Bring your arm up. Hold it. And stretch. And that's it for today. A short workout. I hope you enjoyed me. And stay tuned because we have some new things coming up that I think you're going to be excited about. I'll see you next time. Bye.